He said that there are the Clico cycles. He came up with 8 things we need to do to make sure this cycle doesn't repeat itself. One of them, we have to be educated about history. We got to find the truth about history so it doesn't repeat itself. But then he said we have to have a large middle class. And guess what? Point number 16 was in these 25 points of the NSDAP. We demand that we create a large middle class. That was Hitler's crime. He knew how to destroy the powers that be. That's why Germany went from the poorest country to the richest country in 4 years. They called it the German miracle. Hitler, Time Magazine's Man of the Year 1938. The whole world was looking at Germany saying, what are you guys doing? Powers that be couldn't have that. So they had to attack them. Did the same thing to Japan. Did the same thing to Gaddafi in Libya. When you break away from the powers that be, don't let someone print your money, we start prospering. Remember, truth, courage, liberty, abundance. That's what Germany proved to the world. We live on an abundant planet. Just by finding how they're controlling us. Absolute tool control money. I'm going to print it, loan it to you, create debt. Should never exist. Now you're going to be debt slaves. Now your children